Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Got kind of a mixed tone in the market. Beans were higher overnight. Now they're about unchanged to a little bit lower. I think that two things. Number one, the support yesterday and the rally in the beans was because it looks like even if Argentina gets rain over this weekend, there's not a lot of rain to follow, and you're seeing estimates coming down from USDA's guess on their both soybean and corn crops. We also note that domestically, the soybean meal values in Argentina continue to move higher, and that's offering some support maybe to our export market. On the other side of the coin, two things. Number one, in Brazil, you're looking at a bigger crop, and that might cut into our export demand, which could raise our carryout. So if the trade sees tomorrow a U.S. carryout near 500 million bushels, we could take back some of the recent gains. We also note that recently China put in a report that they feel that U.S. Is dumping sorghum into China. There was reports overnight they are considering doing the same for soybeans, and so that offers some resistance to the soybean market. Corn rallied. We haven't seen some of these prices in a long time, and part of it has to do with just the fact that there's too much corn here in the United States. But we're seeing that, like in Argentina, the domestic corn price is at all-time highs because of their lower crop. And yesterday we saw some daily export sales, and we're picking up a little bit of business. So that's offering support in the cash, which is offering support in the futures. Don't expect the market to rally significantly because of all this corn here in the United States that the USDA has, or the farmers have. But in general, we don't expect big changes in tomorrow's report. And in the wheat, we're trading at levels above a trend line that we haven't traded above since last August, led by the Kansas City futures. Still looks like, in general, it's going to be dry across the southern plains, which is beginning to trigger some short covering. So tomorrow we'll see what export sales has to say, but it could be a little disappointing in beans and wheat, and maybe another good number in corn. Outside markets, looks like the Dow is down about 100 points. The dollar's up, and crude oil's down. So we can't really shake some of that trend that we thought we might have found a bottom yesterday, especially in the stock market. So pretty quiet trade. We're getting ready for the USDA numbers tomorrow, watching weather in South America and in here, and just watching the money flow in and out of the grain market. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.